I am here, Saifur Rahman. On behalf of the whole of Pakistani community, Pakistani fraternity, all Pakistanis, I, I owe my immense gratitude to the Chinese Iron Brothers who have helped us come out of a default situation by recycling or by repaying us $5 billion, a huge, hefty amount that has saved us from default. And default was such a bad thing for us, for every economy, that in this world which is very closely knit and where economy and where finances are controlled globally. I mean, through a global network, you just can't live in isolation. You just can't thrive in isolation. And still, despite all these challenges, China stood by us, and China did not allow Pakistan economy to go into default. The acknowledgement to this fact was made today by Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and the Pakistan's Finance Minister Ishaq Dar, who worked day and night untiringly and ran from pillar to post. They went to UAE, who helped us in distress. They went to Saudi Arabia, who helped us in distress. And above all, they went to China. And as acknowledged by our Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif today, the role of Army Chief General Asim Munir was significant. That was very important. He also went to China and other countries, friendly countries, who stood by us in these moments of extreme distress and rescued us from a default situation and from economic morass and mess. So now we can hope that now is the beginning of an era of prosperity, of and to quote President Xi Jinping, of shared prosperity, of whom we are also one of the prime beneficiaries. And as it has been indicated or even clearly stated by Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif himself, now CPAC projects are going to be put on on a better fast track, and with the hopes of more opportunities coming the people's way, the opportunities of jobs, the opportunities of wealth creation, the opportunities of value addition, and the focus of Pakistan, on certain fast harvest projects like agriculture, IT, and other such projects. They can pay dividends in months and not in years. So now I remember the statement given in question to my answer by U.S. Ambassador Mr. Donald Blum, who said that the present government is finding ways and means to put the economy on a track of recovery.